Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna show you how to draw simple vector illustration. We're gonna draw today an egg and simple chicken egg in Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. So uh, let's start it. First of all, you have to open any of your new documents. I open document with size 10 pixels, 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. So you can open any size as you need it. Then next step, we're gonna take the ellipse tool. I advise you to use always the keyboard shortcut. So just press the L letter on the keyboard and you're gonna draw ellipse. So just here in the middle, not so big, not so small, is not important the size. Just don't forget the vector, you always can adjust about the size. So right now don't need to worry about that. The color, I will prefer to choose some like that or like this. That will this is much more better match with original color of chicken egg. Next step, what we're gonna do is with the tool, direct selection tool, or A key on the keyboard, we're gonna select these two anchors and move it slightly down. Sorry, like this. Trip just a bit to make some egg shape. Just if you never look on the egg, you will see that the egg never be perfect ellipse. So it's little bit bigger, fatter in the bottom and then more sharp on the top. So here's the shape of the egg. Next step, what we're gonna do is take the mesh tool. You can use the U key on keyboard and make just uh, two click on mouse somewhere here, first one, and then maybe here is better. Hop, and same line you have to make somewhere here. This mesh tool will help you to make more smooth of shadow and glossy. So with A tool, the selection select tool, we will choose all of that, all of the inchers, and make again the color. So all of the inchers of the mesh tool we change to be this color, same as we need. And now what we need is to change the each of that. So I prefer to choose few of that, like that, with the direction select tool or A, and in the color palette in the fill, just make it little bit darker, something like that. Can be more. Uh, let's add one more line somewhere here in the middle. It will help to us more smooth, like that. Yes. So same, we make here the color. So and I choose this one and this one, and make it a little bit darker than the rest of that. So here you can see some shadow. You can adjust this shadow to be more smooth, like this. You can move it to create the smooth of the shape and shadow. Something like that. It's not so perfect yet, so you can try to make maybe here. It's pretty ugly. So but here's have place to play with the color and make the perfect shape. So let's think is okay. It's like that way. Oh, not touch the shape of the egg. So here's we create a shadow, and opposite side we will make some light here and here. We will choose something colors of this, but little bit lighter like that. So as you can see here, we have already some I look like I forget them. No, not forget. Yep, not forget. So here you can see the already the shape of egg with a fake volume, and now we have 3D effect now. So what we need more is just put little shadow to here. I use some dark color of brown, make another ellipse under the egg, and we'll apply the feather. It's stay in the effect menu, stylize, and feather. Feather will apply about 20 pixels. Perfect. As I make with the egg, just move this to ensures a little bit here to repeat the shape of the egg, and this will be our shadow. So to move it down, I just use button command on the Mac and a square square, what's that? You can arrange with this one, send back. Okay, so here we have already the shadow, and the next step what we have to do is to create some texture on the top of that. So I copy it with command C and then press exactly on the top, same shape, exactly on the top in the same place with command shift and V. So here's now I have two, as you can see. I will apply same color, and we'll make the effect it stays somewhere the stained glass. So I make adjust before for good and perfect looking, and for my size of image it will be cell size is 8, border thickness is 18, and light intensity is 0. So you can play with that, but actually I find that this is exactly something about perfect. You see the difference, just 1 point, but how it looks different. So press OK. This is not vector, by the way, so I have to turn it to the vector. I mean, every of this dot I wanna be vector. In this case I have to go to object menu, then expand. And then this will become an image. Image, we can trace it with setting something like high fidelity photo. Yes, correct. This perfect enough. Maybe more. Not so big change. Something like that. So much. Perfect. And then expand. So now we have to double click here to choose this object and delete it. Here we have the rest of white object, as you can see it's look like this. You have to delete it also. So, and here we have the rest of our image. You can little bit adjust to more fit on the top of the egg and apply some color. I prefer to apply a little bit more darker than you use the shadow color, or actually go to another tone. So we'll look how you see this is too bright. I don't want it. So in this case I think I have to choose this one first. Actually it's perfect already. Just a little move or make it smaller, just a couple millimeters smaller, and voila, that's it. Here's a small lesson how to make an egg in Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. Thank you for watching, subscribe for new videos.